In this tutorial, we will learn that how to remove unwanted object from the video. So, let's start the tutorial. Firstly, we will import our media from here. Then add it to timeline. Here you can observe that a man is walking in this clip. So here, we will remove this man from this clip. Here, we will add duplicate layer and hide the first one like this. Now, double-click on this layer. Then click on Mask section. And then select Circle Mask here. After it, adjust the mask like this. And make sure that the object should be in the center. Then increase its blur strength. After it, we will use keyframe and move the circle mask slowly. So watch carefully. Now it's done. Here you can observe the selection. Now, we will turn on invert mask from here. Now, we will select the first layer and make split from more than half, like this. Then, we will replace these clips from each other. Now, unhide the clip. So, the unwanted object is removed from the video successfully. Here you can observe it. Now, it is ready to export.